Hey everybody, Coach Connie here, and I got my new computer, so I'm so excited about that. And I also I'm using a new Yeti mic. It's right down here. You can't see it, but I'll lift it up. And then I'm doing something really cool. So if any of you want to record live on Facebook, there's usually like one way to do it where you can show your face and you show the screen at the same time. And it costs about $59 a month for you to do it. But I found an application that does it for free. And that's what I'm using with you today, is that free application. So it's pretty amazing. It allows me to record my screen and see myself at the same time. Again, this normally costs a lot of money, but it costs me nothing. But and then I'm testing, I got my new computer, so my screen looks better, my visual looks better. And okay, at the same time, I'm checking my live. I can check my messages, I think, because I have my phone sitting in front of me. So I'm getting really fancy. But here's what I want to show you. This lunch I put together in less than 2 minutes. I swear to you, it was less than 2 minutes. And canned chicken is one of those things I always keep in my cupboard on hand all the time. And this is the Kirkland brand. I got it at Costco. It's packed in water. But here is the amazing thing, you guys. One can is 12.5 ounces, and I eat the whole can of chicken. Of course, I drain the water, give it to my cats. I drain the water. I put the chicken into a bowl, and I usually put a little goat yogurt, Greek yogurt in it to do a little mix in it and mash it up instead of mayonnaise. But I want to read you the calories per serving, and the servings, there's 3.5 servings. Calories per serving of that chicken is 60. So that's a total calories of the chicken of 210 for that whole can of chicken, 12.5 ounces. But that's not even the exciting part, although that's exciting. There's no fat in it, and what it has is protein. So per serving, it has 13 grams of protein. At 3.5 servings for the can, 12.5 ounce can, that comes out, and I'm using my calculator, that comes out to be 45.5 grams of protein in this lunch. 45.5. No wonder the bodybuilders are eating this as shredding, the last piece before they go to competition. The last, I believe 2 weeks before competition, they're just eating these cans of chicken packed in water. And so this is what this was. I had a red sweet pepper in my fridge, really ripe, perfectly crunchy. I just split it in half. I opened it up. I mixed the chicken up with a little Greek yogurt to give it some mushiness, like pretend mayonnaise. I put the chicken on each side of the big sweet red pepper. I had half an avocado, and then I put hemp seeds on top of the avocado to even amp it up. And then I used some ground pepper, and half of the lemon that you don't see there, I put on top of that and just sprinkled it, put it on top. But if you take a look at what I posted in my post, so 210 calories is actually just for the chicken. So you have to add calories. You'd have to add the avocado and the sweet pepper, which I'm not sure how much it is, but really calories don't matter. Look at this: vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B2, vitamin B6, vitamin E, vitamin K. Folate, niacin, potassium, has fiber in it, riboflavin, omega-3 healthy fats from avocado, beta-carotene, 45.5 grams of protein. I didn't even include what nutrient value is in the lemon, which we all know has a lot of nutrient value. So this was my lunch. Very, very simple. This is a lot like a paleo lunch, not keto, but paleo lunch. It'd be keto-ish. But you guys can put this lunch together. It's so simple, and it's filled with so many nutrients. It's unbelievable. But that protein level, 45.5 grams, you can't get anywhere else. So I just wanted to stop in and let you know, give you a little test of my new computer too. And I'm playing with my new computer today. So hope you like it. Let me see if I can shut this free site down.